As a nonprofit organization, your website should share your mission and inspire people to support it. To get started, visit the template store and select Community and Nonprofits. Choose a template, then click Start with this design. Add pages and blocks to share your mission and add engaging visuals. Connect a payment processor and add a donation block with custom donation tiers to help reach your fundraising goals. Or add a newsletter block to stay connected with your visitors through email campaigns. Add a contact page where visitors can sign up to volunteer through a form block, or reach out to request additional information about your organization. If you have multiple projects, create an individual page for each one and display them in a navigation drop-down menu. If you host events, promote them with an events page. Or a calendar block. A Squarespace website can help your organization stand out and succeed online. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.